Welcome back to LearnEarnCrypto channel. Today's video is about staking your ICON or ICX in wallet using your Ledger Nano wallet. Similar to VeChain staking, you can also earn passive income from staking your ICON crypto asset either in an exchange like Binance or in your own wallet. How can you start staking? You can use the ICONex wallet, which is available in iOS or Android, or the Chrome extension through Nano Ledger Wallet. In this video, I will show you the steps to create your wallet and stake your ICON using your Nano Ledger via Chrome extension. The first step, on your Ledger device, install the ICON app. To do that, you need to open the manager in Ledger Live. Go to the manager and then search for the icon in the app catalog. Then click install. Next, you need to install the ICONex Wallet Google Chrome extension. Go to the chrome.google.com/webstore and then search for the ICONex Chrome extension. Make sure the ICONex version is 1.0.4.7 or higher by checking the lower right of the screen. Typically, you should have the correct version. Then click Add to Chrome. Next, click on the upper right widget to open the ICONex wallet. Now we need to connect to Ledger. Make sure your Ledger wallet is plugged in and the ICON app is open. Also, make sure your Ledger Live firmware is updated. Now let's connect to the Ledger. Click Connect. These are all my ICON addresses provided by Ledger. You can send your own ICX to any of your address. Before we start the staking, we need to have some ICX in our wallet. Let me try to send my ICX into this wallet. I send a sample 20 ICON. After a few minutes and network confirmations, my ICX wallet balance is now updated. Now let's click Vote. Click My Status. Then click Adjust to start staking. You can adjust the slider to your desired amount. you want to stake all of your ICX, you need to leave at least one ICX for transaction purposes, such as unstaking the locked tokens or claiming ICORs and voting. Then select complete. Then press the confirm button on your ledger. Then press the complete button. Stake has been completed. You can click close. Now that you have successfully allowed staking, you can start to vote for the icon PREP that you would like to see elected. Don't forget to vote for several PREPs. It's essential for the network decentralization. Now under the delegate section, click vote. And then choose among main rep, representatives, sub-reps, or candidates, and then click plus beside their name button. So what is PREP? PREP is short for Public Representative on the ICON network. They propose and vote on ICON policies and governing the ICON network. PREPs also run nodes to validate transactions and produce blocks on the ICON network. If you are not sure who to vote for, you can go to icon.community website to see the different PREPs and details. After we selected, we scroll to the top and then click on the PREPs. A slider will appear and you will be able to adjust the percentage. Once done, click on Vote. Then confirm on your Ledger device. Then press Complete. Vote request complete. Click Close. That's it. Voting and staking are done. So what is the reward for staking? Voters will receive annual rewards of 6% to 36% depending on the total amount of ICX that is staked in the network. The less icons staked to the network, the greater the rate of reward, and vice versa. Staking rewards are paid in ICOR every 24 hours, which can be immediately converted to ICX. There is no minimum amount for staking. Staking rewards are not automatically staked, so you need to convert your rewards to ICX and restake. Your ICX is locked for a period of 5 to 20 days, depending on how much ICX is staked on the network. The higher the percentage of the network stake, the fewer the days you need to unstake. So if you plan to stake your ICX, you need to consider the lock period
as you will not be able to sell it immediately in the market if you plan to trade it in short term. You can change who you stake with at any time, even if your ICX is in the lock period. So why should you stake? First, you will receive rewards for staking, which is your passive income. You also get to vote for P-reps to govern the ICON network. And you support the ICON network through delegation of your ICX to P-reps. Staking ICON is considered safe as long as you protect your private keys. But no worries if you are using the ledger. Just remember not to share your recovery praise. Let's do a quick check on the ICON against US dollar price chart. Currently, ICON is testing the diagonal resistance line and it's now trading at 1.79. You may consider a buy your first tranche at this area and then your second tranche at around 1.28 US dollar as your low ball bid in case it retests this long diagonal support. The previous all-time high is around 13 US dollar. So from the current price to the previous all-time high, that is about 610%. That's all for today. If you like this content, do subscribe and smash the like button and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.